welcome back to this channel that doesn't really know what it's trying to be still. More than I don't know anything, probably is more the answer. There's a lot of wobbling going on because the car's doing a bit of a boat thing, but I'm in the Boxster with the top down and it is fucking freezing. My ears are about to fall off. I've been to the tip a couple of times and so I'm cold anyway and I'm covered in muck. I've got a towel on the carpet so the carpet doesn't get mucky again because I haven't put the mats back in, which are dry. Actually, I could put it back in that side, but it's this side that gets wet. So as you can see, I've taken some panels off and I've worked out where the leak is, but it seems like some kind of seal or something like that, but I need to work on how to connect it back up, but the water does pour in. So at least I know where it is. That's normally the big problem. So I did quite a lot of messing about with the roof half off, half on, and pouring water down some of the drain holes, and they were all clear. And then suddenly I saw, actually, with the roof up, there's a part where it's just behind where the seatbelt is, the seatbelt reel is. So I have to take that off and have a look. But anyway, welcome back. Thank you to everyone who's subscribed, like, all of those things. And I'm off to see Flat 6 Jack because actually I'm only making a video because I'm in the car and the top's down, so you probably can't even hear me. But also because I'm going to see Flat 6 Jack because the clicking noise that the car makes, which I've always assumed is the timing chain guides, I've read on a couple of forums and they're all saying that it's because one of the plugs might have worked loose. Especially the number one symptom for that is it starts happening when the car's warmed up, whereas the car is now cold and it's not making the noise. The other thing is, I've got to test the brakes out because I know that. And also when I brake really hard, because of the way that I'm sat and I can't quite get my legs under the steering, if I press the brake pedal hard, I'm also accelerating, which is not good. But anyway, in the last video, I talked about how I'm going to sell pretty much everything apart from the 911. I've not done anything about the Golf R, my wife's car, so I've got to talk to her about it because she's the one who said maybe we should sell it. The clicking is back. The Golf Estate Pongo is, what's this person doing in the middle of the road? It's going on Monday, which is about 3 days from now. So it's going, sold. The insurance will have run out, so it's all done. I went to the tip, and this week's been a washout because we have no childcare. So this has just been sat there. The Pongo's just been sat there. I've not cleared one magpie. I've not cleared any more of the garden, apart from the 2 runs that I've done today. But what I have done is I called the market by Bonhams, and that's the place up in Abingdon where I bought the dials are all steamed up because of all the water in the car, where I bought the 912 from, and also where Sam Moores sold his blue F40. And I spoke to David there and he seemed very confident that he'd be able to get me 40,000 for the 912 and 5 or 6 for the MGB, looking at the stuff that he's been selling recently. So the thing that I've not been able to do is I need to send him some photos. I can't take any photos because they're all in storage. So I'm going to do that probably later today when I'm editing this video as well. So I'm going to email him that stuff, and I think I need to just not be sentimental. I need the money. I can't afford the bills. I'm actually just using my credit card and overdraft now with no means to replenish those. So I mean, that's pretty much it. That's where I am. Oh, there comes the clicking. And the car sounds great, this one. And when I stop at the next traffic lights, I want to put the roof back up because it is so cold. And the sun was out a minute ago, but it's gone in. But that's pretty much it. So the next thing I'm going to do is send off all my stuff. Well, obviously Pongo's going, but I'm going to send off some photos, some details about what I've done to the 912 since I've had it, since they last sold it, and then we'll take it from there. It does sound good. It's got an aftermarket exhaust. No idea what it is. Yeah, there we go. There's the clicking. Now, after the last time I took this car out, I'm really scared to push it, and because of that spin. And the suspension is horrific. I mean, it just needs doing. You just can't use it. It's not usable. So anyway, that's where we are. That's the update. And the next time you hear from me, maybe one of the cars will be for sale. Anyway, catch you on the next one. Thank you for watching. Thank you for hitting like. Thank you for commenting, and thank you for subscribing. I'm still not making any headway. I'm not. I think I've peaked. There don't seem to be any additional subscribers. Yeah, I don't seem to be gathering any additional subscribers, but and I'm still so far off. And when I look at, so I'm probably 300 to 350 hours of watch time a month, but because it's a rolling year and you've got to get to 4,000, obviously I get an extra 300 and 300 drop off from a year ago. So yeah, it's not much progress, but anyway, catch you on the next video. Thank you for watching.